guys, third race. We're getting set up here. Let me show you the layout real quick. All right, so here's my setup. Radiomaster Boxer Max, HDZero. Gotta have a lot of batteries, backup batteries. All right, here's the drones I'm racing. I'm gonna start with a Luxy 75mm and charging some batteries. Gotta have your batteries charged up, ready to go. And then people are showing up. Once I get a drone flying, unless I break it, I touch nothing.
Right. Right.
All right, I'm good.
Everybody have video?
Ready? Yep.
On the tone in less than 5.
God. Okay.
Right, Greg, that one rolling.
I seem to have lost
Greg,
my
the stuff
spot.
we're learning, I'm telling you.
Just keep
Well, and
flying
then if you
until it
don't-
says you're done.
Okay.
Because if you just park it, that clock
The
is still
clock just
rolling.
keeps running.
So if that would have
So
said
you'd get a 6, but it'd be a really slow 6.
Okay.
Hear that you were in the lead, Shaken Bay?
No, I'm not. I'm blocking you.
here's nothing.
You hear that part that you're winning?
Shake and
His
bake,
name
lap
a
3,
few more
21.7.
times, please. I'm having a hard time
Don't
catching
stop
up.
it, guys.
I can't catch him.
VR skydive, lap 3,
Ow.
21.6.
It happened to me now. As soon as it said my name.
Brian with the 21.
30 seconds.
Come on.
Shake and bake, lap 4, 19.8.
Nice.
Damn,
Wow.
dude.
That's the
Pretty
first
sure
sub
that's the
20.
fastest lap
Yep,
of the day
that's
so
the
far.
fastest lap.
No. Oh. There it goes.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Discovery, go at throttle up. Discovery, Houston, press to ATO. 3, 2, 1, 0, 0,